Hi guys, so today is the day we are going to mount our microwave up in that corner right there. So follow us along. Hey baby, what do you have?
What's up, YouTubey? Today my microwave is going up, I hope.
That's the plan, huh?
If it all goes according to plan. Yeah, I got the working out this here. I'm still a little bit off. But that's why I made a pattern, so. But my plan is to get this baby up in its spot. So I've already planned it out, and I have a 2x4 across here at the bottom. I got an inch of solid wood here. And I can clip on the corner up there. I just got to take that thing out of the way.
Okay guys, we have the Kreg jig in operation again.
Yeah, this thing
Has been a lifesaver through this whole bus conversion, huh?
and to make these little pocket holes. It's pretty sweet. And this little guy came with the little kit, so. And I'm not trying to sell these things. I'm not even affiliated with these guys or anything. This thing is handy. And I really like that when you put it together, if you want to change it or move it or something, you can take it back apart.
Oh, that's a little one for a smaller job, huh?
No, it's for face frames, actually.
Yeah. Well, how cute is that
You
little
could have
guy?
done this tipped up in the other one too, and just didn't change the size. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just adjust the stop on that thing and then adjust the thickness on this thing. And you're good to go. So now we should be able to just hold this up here and switch out the drill bit. So I switched over to smaller screws, so you know, now them screws are just going to go through there and come out about like that. They stick out about 3/4, maybe 7/8. All right, so see, I got our little tick marks there.
Pops?
That's where the top of it goes. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, don't worry about that.
Uh-huh.
Just hold that right there. Okay.
Should we cover up the stove?
You can let go.
I would just feel better. Gotta protect my stuff. Right, YouTube?
Okay, man.
You got it?
Going down the highway, biddy bobbly bibba.
Okay, here's the test fit. Ooh, is that gonna hold it?
I'm not done yet. I have to get this
I know.
You turd.
Oh.
That's not going to hold it without
Without the brackets.
additional support for sure.
You gonna glue it?
Better make sure I don't get my
That's right. Cover everything up. Just some added security, huh?
A little bit of glue in the right place when it fits good. It's incredibly strong.
Goes a long ways.
Should go just like that. Should stay now.
Ooh, she's there. Ooh, see? Good thing we put that down. He is dripping glue, people.
You had to bite your tongue there, didn't you?
It's a good thing I put my blanket down on top of my beautiful stove. Oh man, look at all that glue coming out.
All right, now there's no place to anchor up here, so
Ooh.
that's got to go over to there. Yeah. So I'm going to make a bracket and screw in there.
Let me show him what we got going on. Let me explain to him.
Because this goes right there.
Because one thing we did up across the top is...
Oh, I see what you're saying, yeah.
See those two black lines up there? That means we have power coming down
Yeah, here, show them this one.
that we need to avoid.
So
See?
the power is coming down behind those black lines in the conduit. Now, however, it is on the back side, but the screw might reach them, so I'm going to put a bracket here and come out and then just bolt to that bracket too, because this is no good without that tied in.
It's gonna have
And there's nothing in the ceiling to connect to, so that'll be sweet, and it'll still be removable. We can just pull these screws out, take the bolts loose, and drop the whole shelf if we don't like it or change our minds.
if we decide we don't want a microwave. Hey Randy, what are you doing?
I'm at the scrapyard!
Scrap
No,
that.
I'm looking for a piece, but I think this piece right here will work perfect. Just bend it.
Yeah, yeah.
You gotta let me get it over. Is it over?
It's touching the thing. Your fingers are out of the way, right?
Yeah.
The front one's coming through.
Okay.
It won't go.
Pull the trigger.
I did. There's
Oh,
no...
you got the switch in the middle. The other way. You got it going backwards. There you go. Seriously, are you going backwards?
I don't know.
Yes. Touching?
Uh-huh. Now we're ready?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, now we're ready. Oh, yeah, woo!
Okay.
Dang. Why didn't you check that the first time?
I did.
Okay, guys, if only you could have seen that shot, man. I was straddling the tripod and trying to push on my tippy toes, reaching up there to get that drilled. But hey, we got the job done, right? That's what matters.
I think that's going to take care of it.
Ooh.
Really stiffened it up there.
Oh, wait, do you need me to drill another hole?
Yes, let me put the drill in reverse.
So here's our bracket.
We got it lag bolted to the back.
How sweet is that?
And we're using nylock nut, so we don't have to worry about it vibrating loose. I bet you could do a chin up on that thing now, but I'm not trying it. I'm already chin up.
You're already chinned up.
I'm gonna take the level feet off and go get longer screws
And go up in.
and drill 4 holes here and bolt it so it can't wiggle out.
Sweet.
I wonder if it's gonna do that though. Going down the road.
Well, we'll find
Oh,
out.
hold the microwave door, Shelley.
We'll find out. Maybe we'll have to bungee cord it or something. Hey, he's getting his workout today, lifting that microwave in and out.
Thing is heavy. Always seems like such a simple project, but it isn't going to work going up through into those because it's pretty tinny sheet metal. So what I did is I fixed these brackets that'll, like that one goes at the back end, it goes like that, and on the front end it goes like that and pinches them in there, and actually elevates them slightly above the feet so it can get even more air. So these little guys will go on here and in the back like that. And I'm just going to drill a couple screw holes here. And then we'll put a board along the top edge over here and it'll be trapped in place.
Sounds like a good plan.
So I think that'll work. And then we're going to put a heat shield underneath here, so it will be groovy.
It's coming. Okay, guys, so we have the microwave mounted up and in her place, and so we are going to just live with her for a few days and see how it operates, and if everything is working out good, then Randy will finish by putting the heat shield underneath, and I will get some paint on it. We are just going to end the video here and just know that we love sharing the journey with you guys, and we will just catch you in the next one. Love to you all. Bye.